Hey everyone, so today we're going to be making a cookie brownie using some Duncan Hines California walnut mix and some fire ass Reese's cookie dough. So let's go ahead and add the ingredients. As far as the ingredients go, and I'm gonna plug this in on the front. We're gonna need one egg, 1/4 oil, and 1/4 butter. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and mix this in. And once we mix this in together, we're gonna go from here and flour and butter our pan. Alright, so we're back and we're going to go ahead and bop this into our floured dish. We're gonna go ahead and bop these Reese's on top of our mix. Preset for 350, and where you're going to allow this to cook for at least anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, but we're going to check on it periodically though too. So let's go ahead and turn on our oven light, and we'll be back to see this in a moment. Alright, so we're just taking a peek and it seems like it's ready to be pulled out, you guys. We've been cooking this for about maybe 40 minutes. Alright, so we just popped this out of the oven. What we're going to do is allow our cookie and brownie mix to cool. And then we will go ahead and cut them in bars and go from there. So let's allow it to cool for about maybe 15 to 30 minutes. And we'll pop back in for a moment.